it's fun getting dirty.
It's fun getting dirty.
Oh, it sure is. Yeah. So my garden girls here are working hard at painting little popsicle sticks that we will be placing in our seed containers or our seed packs or our 6-packs, 4-packs that we will later need. Good job. That's all right. Oh, I'm sorry. It's fun to get dirty. This is one of the times you're allowed to get dirty. I remember last time we were doing a video, we said that's the best part, getting dirty, remember?
Yeah. Because when you get dirty, it's funner.
Yeah. Okay, girls, smooth out the soil. We don't want to pack it down because we got to get our little baby seeds in there. And if the soil's too packed, then the little seeds will have a hard time growing. Oh, that looks good. Let's go ahead and poke a hole in each one of your little cell packs. Good job. Yep, poke a hole in each one. Nice. Why are we doing that, girls?
So the seeds have a nice warmy place and they're not
so we
just
can
resting out
drop
in the
the
cold.
seeds in.
Yeah, so we can just drop the seeds in and they're all ready. And then all we have to do is cover them up. And this garden girl has romaine seeds. Ooh, she's got to really keep track of those. So sprinkle a few in each of the holes that you dug. Yep, you got all those little seeds in there. Good, you covered them up. Good, nice. All right, what is that lettuce? That's called Black Seed Simpson. And show us those seeds. Oh goodness, they're tiny.
Yeah, they're black too, so I sort of know why they call them black.
That's a good thought. All right, now, till our little plant stakes are dry, we're leaving our seed packets next to the seed we planted or the little tray.
Yeah, so we don't forget. If we forget, that would be really bad because then we don't know which one.
All right. So each time we get seeds, we think they're tiny, and then we get even tinier seeds.
Yeah, we think they're so tiny, but then they get even tinier. We're like, oh my gosh, how can they get tinier than that?
And what are those?
These are Alzanium.
It's called alyssum.
Oh, pastel carpet mixed colors.
So what was your question for me?
What's your favorite thing to do in the whole wide world?
I don't know. Right now I'm having an awful lot of fun, and maybe it's gardening with these two garden girls. What do you think? All right, push the seed down in. Good, poke it down in there. Good. There's a nice little blanket over it. Well, we'll cover them up after we're all done. That way we know where we put the seed. Okay? Good job.
Yeah, they look spiky, sort of like.
Look at those dirty hands. What a good gardener you are. So my garden girls, we finished. We painted the sticks, or the popsicle sticks, and labeled them. And then you filled the trays with soil and you filled the trays with seeds.
Yeah, so the popsicle sticks are to let us know which one, and we did put these there so we don't get confused.
Right.
Because
we did more than one kind of seed, didn't we?
And soon they're gonna grow.
I know they are going to grow, and when they do, we'll show everybody.